Blowing a gale and raining hard in Royal Clarence Marina today, so it's hunker down and edit some video of nicer days on board. It's early May, and here's Zephyr IV going into the water, all painted and polished. And here we are later doing our usual trip round the harbour, just to check nothing leaks, and to compare engine speed to boat speed with the results from last year, and it's pretty much the same. The following day, like every year, it's exciting as we remove the covers, get the engine going and slip out of our berth and out into the harbour. Bill is really enjoying the improved steering characteristics of Zephyr IV after last year's refurbishment of the Cobra steering column. She goes where you point her now, it's great. Portsmouth is a busy harbour, with other yachts coming from different marinas and of course the constant crossing by the Gosport ferry. But soon we're past Fort Blockhouse, down the small boat shipping channel and into the Solent. We've got the sails up now, we've stopped the engine and by putting her into a stern, forced the feather stream prop to feather. Just see how the speed increases. It does this every time. We're not going far today. We are here and we are going to Cowes on the Isle of Wight, about 7 miles, to get topped up with diesel. It's a bit cheaper there and it's a good first sail destination. Bill is making tea below and I get to sail me boat. She's at her best, good stiff breeze with a very clean bottom. I love this. We're keeping an eye on this big ship. It seems a long way away, but it's going faster than you think, and we'll be crossing its path as we make our way to Cowes. We've hardened up a bit to stay clear of the shipping channel, and soon we are overtaken, and then it's all speed to Cowes. Here we are in Cowes, motoring up the Medina to the harbour fuel berth. It's a busy place this time of the year. We're taking on a few gallons of diesel with a queue of boats waiting in the river. Well, it's good to have got some fuel, and now we're on our way back to Portsmouth. This is John Lang, OYT6, a purpose-built training vessel for youngsters. The wind has increased a bit. It's on the beam and Zephyr IV likes that. This is a great sail. We're hitting over 8 knots on a few occasions. This is a grand start to the 2025 season. Here's hoping we have more to come. Thanks ever so for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. It all helps to keep me making videos and sharing my sailing with you.